What's up guys, this is your video user guide for the Guided Field Sharpener Elite. We're excited to bring this one to you because people have been asking for a couple of things on an already awesome sharpener. Our Guided Field Sharpener is one that people know and love, but they wanted a couple extras with it. The first thing people wanted was a carry case, which you'll get with the Elite package. And we've also added two more abrasives, a 400 and 800 grit diamond stone, giving you 320, 400, 600, 800 grit diamond stones. Then you still have that ceramic and leather to finish on for a complete sharpening process that'll go anywhere with you. One of the biggest reasons I like this kit is because it adds those extra abrasives. When I head out in the field, I normally have a sharp knife, but with use it will get dull. I don't always need to go back to a really coarse stone to bring that edge back. So having the 800 and 600 grit diamond stones are what I keep on my GFS Elite. So when I need to go and do touch-ups, I've got those fine diamond stones ready to go. If I do need to do some heavier lifting, if I happen to get a chip in my blade, I've got that 320 and 400 grit in the case, ready to rock if I need them. What's great about this little sharpener is it comes included with angle guides. On the diamond plates, you've got a 20-degree angle guide. Hold your knife to that guide, make your passes, and you're able to start sharpening on that diamond. We've also given you angle guides on the ceramic hone. The ceramic actually rotates as well, and you've got a groove here that's great for touching up fish hooks. And if you go all the way around, you've got this interrupted surface. Interrupted surface helps form burrs faster on knives like recurves that need that rounded abrasive to get in there and do the work. We've also included a leather strop. This leather strop is great for touch-ups, and it's a reverse angle guide. So you hold it on that angle guide and do reverse passes. Don't go into the leather or you'll cut it. The plates are actually removable. So there's a nail nick here, and you can remove the plate to find a broadhead wrench if you're a archery hunter. And then on the opposite side, you've got your instructions and a little cavern there that people put tinder, random things like that they want on them out in the field. It's a great little storage space for something like that. As you can see, we've got a lot packed into this little sharpener, and we wanted a place to keep it all. So that's where the case comes in. You've got a space for the extra abrasives to ride in, and there's even a cool little seat belt you can slide the GFS under if things really get crazy out there on the trail. When sharpening with the Guided Field Sharpener Elite, there's a lot of ways to go about it. You can bring the abrasive to the tool. You can lay the sharpener down on a flat surface and use it like a bench stone, or you can hold it in your hand like this. I like to keep my thumb back here and hold it like this so that all my fingers and everything is back away from where I'm doing the sharpening. To get started sharpening, you're gonna lay your knife on the angle guide. Like I said before, 20-degree angle here. Once you've got it laid there, you'll make a pass from heel all the way to tip. And remember just to ride along that bevel. After you make a few passes on the course, you'll start to form what's known as a burr. And what that means is that you've pushed enough material from one side of the knife over to the other. That means you've reached the apex and created a new edge. Now you're ready to do that same work on the opposite side. So if I made 5 passes on the one side to get a burr, I'll make 5 passes on the opposite side of the knife. Now that I've got my burr, I've created a new apex. Now I just need to refine that burr down and refine that scratch pattern down. So we'll move to the medium plate and make alternating passes now. So we'll do a pass on one side and alternate to the opposite side. Don't just work one side of the knife anymore. Now make alternating passes. Now you can move on to the ceramic and make a few passes. Again, we're just alternating here. Use the angle guide to help maintain that angle as you come across the abrasive. And then you'll finish up on the leather. Again, this is a trailing stroke now. We're gonna go backwards so we don't cut the leather. And that 1/2 micron compound will just continue to get better and better with use. As far as care and maintenance goes on the Guided Field Sharpener, it's really simple. You can take a wire brush to the diamond plates and that'll remove a lot of that deposits that end up in there. Or if you wanna go a little more heavy duty, take the plates to some soapy water, that'll clean them right up, and then let them air dry. Couldn't be simpler than that. This sharpener should last you a long time. It should outlast most of your other tools. If you've got questions about it, let us know. Head over to worksharptools.com. Thanks for watching, guys.